3, this will be 3 and this will be 3. If this is 5, this will be 5 and this will be 5. We don't know. We have to find this only. Okay, so once you get the problem, now we can solve this. First we melt this. So first we find the volume of this cube. Volume of the original cube is 2 by 3 by 4. So multiply 24 centimeter cube. Okay, now we melt this. So after melting, will the volume change? No, volume will remain the same. Now we add metal to form a cube of equal sides. Okay, we have to add metal so that it forms a cube of equal sides. Now the question is, what is the minimum amount of metal we need to add? So which is the nearest minimum volume to 24? Which is a perfect cube? Okay, because we want equal sides now. Which is a perfect cube? So that is 27, because 3 cube is 27. So if you convert 24 to 27, then it will be a perfect square. For doing this, what do we require? Because 3 cube is 27, so we need to add how much metal? 27 minus 24, that is 3 centimeter cube. This much metal we need to add. That is the question number 1. And what is the side of the cube? So once you get the volume as 27, then the side of the cube will be 3, because cube root of 27, right? Getting this? This is 3 by 3 by 3, and earlier it was 2 by 3 by 4 something, right? Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months, and you will learn them within 3 months. Mind well, these squares, cubes and tables are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exam. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.